Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ekta and in this video I'm going to quickly show you all the different amazing makeup, beauty, skincare, perfume, jewelry, etc. products that I have bought myself recently from our very own Amazon.com. I know a lot of you would say there are so many other Amazon beauty hauls video on YouTube. So why this video? Well, according to me, the USP of this video is that in this video I have picked some lesser known brands, but the products of these brands are making quite a wave in the market, and I've been getting a lot of requests from many of you to explore and tell you more about this product. So these are like some of the products are from well-known brand and some of the products are from lesser known brands. Nevertheless, all of them are making quite some waves and look quite interesting, and above all these products are quite affordable and pocket friendly, and that's the reason why I have got it for you. So without much further ado, let's quickly check all these different products, the reason why I have bought them, and price and more. Being a fragrance lover, I thought of trying this EDT. This looked very fresh, green and interesting to me. I totally love the form factor over here. It's a very nice to look at. It smells also very nice and you can wear on an everyday basis, on a regular basis without burning your pocket. So I kind of like this, very tingling, very tangy kind of a fragrance. And so the second product is a very gorgeous, look at this, such a beautiful looking eyeshadow palette over here. This is from a brand called Beauty Glazed. Yes, it is cruelty free, and the reason why I picked this palette is that they have a lot of eyeshadows. Let me quickly show you. See, it's a kind of a eyeshadow book. Oops, somehow this got broken in transit, but nevertheless look at the colors. There are so many beautiful colors out here. The range of colors are quite large. You have different kind of sunset coral colors over here, and then you have some very interesting very playful kind of colors over here, and then here you have some traditional color. Once again, my apologies for this showing you this broken piece, but if you see, the box is quite intact, very beautiful and fresh. So let's check the pigment. So let me take from this one. Look, the pigment is really good. This is a lighter color, and again the pigment is really nice. I have been looking for a good eyeshadow palette from quite some time, and this time I wanted to go for a bigger one which has a lot of eyeshadows in one, instead of carrying so many multiple palettes. This is a very beautiful palette. The next two products, they are from the same brand, Inside Cosmetics. Yes, Inside Cosmetics is making quite a wave. It's very budget friendly kind of cosmetics, and a lot of you have been asking me to try this one. So the first one is this Inside Ultra Thin Second Skin Foundation. This comes inside this very nice beautiful bottle, and I'm not sure whether it's my right shade or not. You have to tell me. I'm wearing the shade right now in my makeup, because I've used some other brands concealer etc, but the foundation is this one. So tell me whether this shade is going on me or not. So the next one is this Duo 2-in-1 contour stick. It has contouring bronzing cream color over here. It's in the form of a lipstick. It makes it very easy for you to apply directly on your face. You can use a brush also, prefer to use a brush, and the other side of it has a very nice alluring kind of a highlighter. Since I like makeup palettes or different products boxed into one kind of a concept a lot, so I picked this one and I just can't wait to try this one. Let me know if you want a trial Tuesday video on this and the foundation. So the next product is something that all women love, whether child, girl, teenager, adult, or even a 40-year-old. They love this and they can never have enough of it. Yeah, I'm talking about lipstick. And like this, yes, this is actually a small ampules of lipstick. I have been eyeing this kit from long time because I've used a similar kit by Oriflame when I was in college, and I must tell you how much I loved it, because it has small ampules of all the different shades of lipstick, so that you can try all without having to hog or buy all of them. So I picked up this metallic eyeshadow, the set of 6 different kind of metallic eyeshadows from this brand Ronzil. Earlier I was planning to buy something from Swiss Beauty, but when I saw that this brand has 6 different shades, so I thought why not try all of them. The pigmentation is quite interesting and decent. Look at this, it's looking very nice. Yeah, so this is the gold one, shade 1 and shade number 6. There are some other shades like copper, pink, etc. into this. I'm planning a separate video. Let me know if you would like me to try these products and want some kind of a review. Yeah, I have picked these 2 eye serum masks from Garnier. The one is like around the eyes areas and the other one is like beneath your eye area. So I do have few other eye masks, eye patches which I haven't used till date. Have you tried this? Let me know how it is. And apart from this, I have also bought 2 sets of jewelry, 2 different kind of jewelry. One is this beautiful looking ear dangler. I've been meaning to try this from quite some time. Look at this. This goes till this level, and there were 3-4 colors, so I thought of taking one neutral color. And the other one is this very beautiful gujri kind of navratri very oxidized metal kind of a set. It has 2 jhumka walis, 1 mang tika, and a very small anklet. This is another interesting one. I've been meaning to buy something with a lot of ear danglers from quite some time, and this one was very handy, very cheap, and it's very lightweight, and it's quite light to wear also. I've tried it yesterday. So if you like any of these products and if you want to try them out, I'll leave the link of each product in the description box below, so you can directly go and check those products and buy directly from there without having to search. So those are the different products I have recently bought from Amazon.com. I have few more left in the cart because once you start buying, you don't stop, right? So I have few more products in the cart. I'll be showing them soon to you. So do stay tuned to my channel. Do subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. See you soon. Take care and ciao.